Okay, angifuna uku-assume ne, but I feel like Umusa, he's giving someone who knows that his time is coming. It is the end for him because the way bekangakwazi nokubheka uAbonge ngakhona, he couldn't even look at his wives when they were confronting him about indaba yalo msebenzi kanye no number 5. And the fact that like this guy is crashing out Live Jive on TV, he's crashing out and he just doesn't know what to do. And the only thing that makes sense to him is to finish up in Dabaga number 5. Kodwa mina umbuzo wami uthi yini engakajahele, because there's no way when you know ukuthi perhaps your time is up, you're gonna wanna fix so much, knowing very well ukuthi isimo asivumi. Because manje iy'nkomo eziyi-50 sizithola azi very well ukuthi financially the household is in a bit of a mess. It's in shambles. Some of the wives are contributing financially. I man, khona nje into of ngomusa, and I don't know. And I get that the show, yes, was shot last year, right? But there was an interview earlier on this week on Newsroom Africa where he was talking about his tembu. But physically he was not looking okay. And yabona nale ndaba yokuthi akazwani nosisi wakhe, because he's saying that usisi wakhe watshelwa umuntu ukuthi perhaps, you know, khona nje oku-off laphayana. Yes, they didn't go into details with it when he was speaking to Usne, but ngiyasola ukuthi the rumors that have been circulating as well around chemical engineering are definitely part of the reason why perhaps why him and his sister are not getting along at the moment. I don't know, man. Like something is very off with Umusa at the moment. Something is very off ngalo number 5 wenu, and I just feel like something is brewing. We might not be privy to that information, Mzumbe, but if uhlala close to Mzumbe, ngicela nisitsheleni, because I'm now just building up my own theories, because I don't know what's going on with this man, but it's giving. It's my last day on.
Unombulelo Fox ke an entertainment blogger and a TikToker. So we this video go TikTok or 2 days ago after episode Uthando Nesithembu recent premiere. So now like a condition, physical condition Musamseleko or Musamseleko obonagala ke someone o already drained physically, and obonagala kare as healthy health wise ya gage aga healthy at all, and or obonagala kare Musamseleko ke motho o obonagala kare wa tsaba rena kwa gage ai up mo lefaseng leki mo tswa ka rena kwa gage up mo lefaseng leki, and okare he wants to make everything right, you know, and everything like that, you guys. And let me tell you this, but to go in the comment section and about any legit deep but or sign something, a contract of some sort, is it so, and go at twitching on probably this is the terms and conditions, and when the time comes, you are probably gonna go Mautwana Hunyela. It looks like people are saying that, you know what, Musamseleko definitely knows or Odirileni, and his time is up. But apparently, and you know, they alleged that he could have taken Izitalo or Atlakhon or Huma, this and that, especially after the previous episode, Molorong of relationship, blood sister A1. Let me just tell you this. His one and only blood sister, to be specific. They no longer are in a relationship at all, and Musamseleko village or the reason why is because ngwana mawile ko dingakeng, and they told her gore nna ke twetši or ke thwala ka ena gore ke tle ke kgone go te enrich or something like that. You know, it was just a lot, and people in the comment section in the video watch Unombulelo Fox is saying bare yo olela nnete go bona go kare he knows rather gore tse ke nako ya ka e fitlhile, and bare you know, now that Musamseleko thoma like malwetse a mantši with stroke with what could it be that, you know, nako ya gago a shona e ya kokota, and guys, this whole situation, please put in the comment section and let's subscribing also. Let's get miss out whenever I upload a new video.